Okay, dearest Form 3 students, let's continue. Okay, this one will be a simple one formula with about 3 examples here, tapa one more example there. That's all. So simple lesson. Now guys, this time is going to be a simple lesson. But what I want to focus on, what I want to really tell you on is, you got to remember 3 formulas. One is the gravitational potential energy, mgh, okay, gravitational potential energy. Then lepas tu the elastic potential energy, anything that is compressed or stretch has elastic potential energy. Then the third one is the kinetic energy. Energy unit for energy would be joule. That's all. So energy means joule. Alright. So don't worry about meters, second, meters, kilometers per second ke apa. Lepas tu mass, kg, meters per second ke apa. Don't worry, just put it as joule there. So that's the easy part, guys. Okay. Then the last part of the chapter is actually the principle of conservation of energy. That means you bring in these two formulas. Let's see, learn about elastic potential energy and kinetic energy. So if let's say a gun, let's say this one, you can guns, you can compress the bullet, not a real gun, like a toy gun. Then before you compress the bullet that you shoot. What is the elastic potential energy that the bullet has, and as it travels there. So you're going to bring in two formulas. But before I go there, random you inside where you have to combine two formulas and everything. I'm just going to make sure you're good at this. And this is maths, guys. So you're going to try to hafal the formula and try to do means no, you cannot do. Okay. Maybe for now you can lebih kurang lepas, but after some time you will forget. Okay, so please do a lot of latihan, textbook latihan ke, reference book latihan ke. At least you've got 10 questions, you can do 6 or so, 5 or so, never mind. At least you did half already then. Okay, you can answer 5, another 5 you bit blur blur, it's okay. Slowly learn, you get better and better anytime. Okay, so simple replace these examples. Then I've given you a worksheet. Then one more worksheet I'll give you, one more exercise worksheet. This is when you do some exercise which I write down. It's like my specific questions, so I make you better at these three formulas there. Okay, not talking about the work formula, not talking about the power formula, the one like it. So remember you already got 5 formulas there, but I'm talking about 3 only, guys. The gravitational potential energy, elastic potential energy, and the kinetic energy. Okay, coming with this kinetic energy there, formula is half mass volume, half mv. Okay, so m for mass, which must be unit is kg, velocity is meters per second. So if a question gives you kilometers per hour, car runs at 50 kilometers per hour, 110 kilometers per hour dan sebagainya, you kena tukar kepada meters per second. So kilometers per hour, you must convert it to meters per second. So all this you got to learn lah. Okay, so the questions I'm going to give you after this will be focusing. You're going to do a few questions before we end this chapter. No rush to end the chapter, so we're going to do a few more questions first. Alright, now here, a train with a mass of 50,000 kg, velocity of 10 meters per second. That means moving every second, it covers 10 meters, another second, 10 meters, another second, 10 meters there. So formula is half times mass times velocity equals to half times the mass there will be 50,000 kg times velocity square. So sorry, velocity square, guys. Velocity square, so will be 10 square. Okay, so equals to half times 50,000 times 100. You akan dapat 250,000 joules. 250,000 joules. Use a calculator. Check back and see, but you get 250,000 joules. This is the kinetic energy possessed by the train with a mass of 50,000 kg and traveling at a velocity of 10 meters per second. Okay, whereas the next one here, a football has a mass of 500 grams, kicked with a velocity of 20 meters per second. That means the ball kicked, it's traveling every second 20 meters. Okay, 20 meters per second. Calculate the kinetic energy possessed by the football. So this one here, again, same, half times mass times velocity square. So equals to half mass grams tukar kepada kilogram. So 0.5 kg. Tukar ni kepada kilogram. So will be times 0.5 kg. Velocity is 20. So 20 kuasa 2. Okay, so this one will be, answer for this will be 0.25 times 20 there, so this one will be 100 joules. That's the answer. Okay, can I guys clear this up? So what, before we do the last one there, what do we learn from this? Very simple already. If the mass increase, the velocity. If this ball was heavier, not 500 grams, let's say it was 5 kg. Okay, now it's 500 grams, 0.5 here, right? So it was 5 kg means, of course, the kinetic energy will be more. Okay, because of the, and it can travel, means it's traveling at the same velocity, but the mass influences the kinetic energy. Or let's say if you kick it harder, same 500 gram ball, but you kick it harder, travels faster, maka the kinetic energy will be more. So two factors that influence kinetic energy clearly you nampak here is the mass and the velocity. The mass and the velocity. Higher the velocity, higher the kinetic energy. Higher the mass, higher the kinetic energy. Then the next one here, a car with a mass of 1000 kg, yes, 1 ton, 1000 kg, traveling at 50 meters per second. Calculate kinetic energy possessed by the car. So this one will be half times 1000 kg times 50 square. Okay, so this one will be 2500. 1000. So if this one will be 1.2 million joules. 1,250,000 joules. This would be the kinetic energy possessed by the car. Okay, please check guys with the calculator on that. Just a big one I'm giving you. Then next one here. Let's go one more question. So simple. So again and again, the repetition is just this only. More mass, more kinetic energy. More velocity, more kinetic energy. One more small thing, jangan lupa, mass must be in kg. So if it's in gram, tukar kepada kg. If it's in newton, change it to kg. Okay, 1 kg is 10 newton. So 10 newton means will be 1 kg. Okay, tukar. Clear all this lah. Make sure you clear. Not so clear, terlepas anything I say, rewind back again, check back again. Okay. Now let's take one more example, guys. One more example. Let's think one other question here. Let's just say now, same car, this car here, okay, is the car A here is 1000 kg, moving at 50 meters per second. Then here go one, okay, supposed to be lorry like this one, now big, huge, this lorry, what's lorry here? Okay, this lorry here, okay, the lorry here or a bus here. Let's say this bus here pula, this one is 1000 kg, right? Let's say this one is 10,000 kg. Okay, 10,000 kg. So it's 10,000 kg. But also this one is, this car here is traveling at 50 meters per second. This lorry here is also traveling at 50 meters per second. Okay. Just by looking at this right now, guys, who has got first question I asked for this? A and B, calculate the kinetic energy. So you calculate kinetic energy for the same question with this. This one will be 1,250,000 joules. This one here will be 12,500,000 joules. Okay, so this will be the kinetic energy for both the lorry and the car. Next question. Who will have more thorough near impact? Which one will have been more crushed? Again, who will have more kinetic energy than the lorry? Why did the lorry have more kinetic energy? Because the lorry was traveling, both of them were traveling at the same speed. Means the velocity is the same. So what was different here? What was different here is the mass. So an object that has got bigger mass has got more kinetic energy. This, when it's traveling at that speed, impact there will be even more. Okay, later on you will learn in physics, so this is just basics to it. Okay, you learn, let's say, a stationary car or a car accident, impact there on a tree. Tree's mass is so and so and sebagainya. So what happens? Okay, what is the impact? Like, what is the momentum there? So all that you will learn later on. But this is the idea of this. So I just want to tell you about the kinetic energy. 3 formulas you must settle properly. Must be confident means you want to be confident in V means you also the units all properly means, example like last week what we did, MGH, mass, gravitational pull, and then the height. So you must make sure you must use meter, cm means tukar kepada meter. All this you cannot just everything jumble inside and hope that guys. You must, questions can be varied, can be different there. So you must be ready with all of it. Okay. So hopefully you are aware. The latest circular says that you will have a penilaian. Okay, so I must make sure I finish the syllabus as early as possible. Maybe in August I want to finish it up. Okay, can possible to finish it up by August there. So after that you can just revise a little bit on Form 1, Form 2 ke apa, what kind of penilaian, maybe got two step penilaian ke, when you go back to school on Wednesday, you'll be clearer lah guys. Okay, so anyway, this is related to kinetic energy. Last week we did 2 formulas, previous week we did 2 formulas. So got 5 things that you must already settle. Not settled inside here means getting it settled. Okay, that's all guys, take care, stay safe, see you, bye bye.